Hi Gustav, can you tell me a bit about the process of designing the new Aira experience?
One of the challenges we were facing in the beginning was how to make a product like this, a steel box, attractive. We found out that a more humanistic approach would be a better way forward for us. Putting the user in the center and listen to what their needs are. For me, as an industrial designer, I have to translate that into physical form. In the design object itself, we have used curved corners. When you have a light in the room, that light sort of creates a gradient on that surface, which gives you a warmer, softer feeling to it. Instead of, if I would do a box with no radiuses or like sharp corners, it would create more of a technical object. In the competition, there's quite a lot of techie boxes, and we want to find our own DNA, sort of design DNA, and also find a design element that we could sort of work with cross-range. So these curved corners, could we potentially use those for other products, like the outer unit and products to come also. What we want to achieve as well is not only a robust design mechanically, we also want to have a robust and timeless design that will work and not jump into some sort of short-term trends happening right now. So for the indoor unit, early on decided to remove the screen itself. We added a light and we wanted to work with an indirect light.
So when I as a customer change the temperature in my app, what happens on the heat pump?
The indoor unit will wake up, and depending on what's happening, but the light will move back and forth using different lights to cue different statuses. Very one-to-one thing going on between the app and the actual unit itself. We have borrowed a design element from the indoor. We have used that element and repeated it and stacked it on top of each other. This rib geometry is covering the whole front of the outer unit. This rib geometry is trying to hide the technical inside the fan, but you can't hide the angle that much in front of the actual fan, because then it would block the airflow. So we sort of change the angle in front to create this little interesting movement, creating this little dynamic shape. When we designed where we used the curved corners, those corners became the actual frame that they've been used in the brand work.
So there's actually a direct connection between the Aira logo and the shape of the outside unit.
Very much so. Yeah, it's also about brackets capturing something, which Aira is all about, capturing heat out of nothing.